Can you disable auto jump on Roblox Mobile? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss whether it is possible to disable auto jump on Roblox Mobile or not. So many of you want to know if you can turn it off. So auto jump is when your character automatically jumps when approaching obstacles like logs, even without you pressing the jump button. And it can be annoying. So can you disable it? Unfortunately, no. If you check the Roblox menu on mobile, there is no option to disable or turn off auto jump. The feature isn't simply available. I even tried connecting an external controller to my phone to see if that would bypass the auto jump, but it didn't work either. Currently, there is no way to disable auto jump on Roblox Mobile. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.